Hey class, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. This is a review problem number 4, part B, to compute the limit. So when I am computing the limit, the first thing I'm going to try is direct substitution, which I will get 0 on the denominator. And then on the numerator, when I plug in 0 for x, square root of 16 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So I have the form 0 over 0. So L'Hopital's rule will apply here. Okay, so L'Hopital rule applies here. Okay, so we could use L'Hopital's rule, or we could do what we call rationalizing. So let's do this method two different ways. First, let's apply the L'Hopital's rule. X approaches 0, and the L'Hopital's rule said take the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom. The derivative of the denominator is 1. The derivative of the numerator is 1 over 2. Square root of 16 plus x multiplied by the inside derivative, which is 1, so we don't need to write that. And then the derivative of -4 is 0. So that is it. So when we do now substitute in 0, we would have, and the 1 on the denominator we don't have to write, so this is now will just be 1 over 2 square root of 16, which would be 1 over 8. Okay, so that is the solution to that. Now, let's do this in a different way, because a lot of times when people see this, it triggers their brain to go ahead and rationalize. So would that be easier for you to approach this problem? And the answer is who knows, up to you how your brain works. So if we were to rationalize, we would multiply by 1, and 1 would be square root of 16 plus x plus 4 multiplied by square root of 16 plus x plus 4. When we rationalize, we would have limit as x goes to 0. The denominator would be x multiplied by square root of 16 plus x plus 4. On the numerator, you would have square root of 16 plus x squared, which would be 16 plus x minus 4 squared, which would be 16. And then 16 minus 16 is 0. And then we would have then x divided by x is 1. So really, this will just be limit as x goes to 0 of 1 over square root of 16 plus x plus 4, which when we plug in 0 right here, we would have square root of 16 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, and we would get 1 over 8, which is the same problem answer as if we were to apply the L'Hopital's rule. So way 1 or way number 2, whichever works for you.